Hi dear friends, today I'm going to make this cute ghost art and you can enjoy and give it to your kids. This is an amazing activity. The kids will enjoy it and you can also enjoy it. You will need white paint, add some water in it. So we have to make the white paint little thin. So when it will be thin, it will be easy to spread on the surface. So keep mixing and make it more thinner. So now you will need a straw for blowing the paint and you can take any straw. So for blowing the paint. So now I'm gonna put the paint on the surface. You can take any chart paper, any board for making Halloween board, welcome board. So put some paints, dots on the surface and make some spaces for the ghosts and keep pouring. These are the spaces, these are the spots where we will blow and automatically the ghost will be formed. You will see when I will blow. So here is the straw. Let's start blowing. You have to blow. So blow, blow, blow. Wow, can you hear the sound of the blowing straw? Yes, these are the ghosts, and you can see they are automatically giving the strange shapes to the paint, and the air is helping. Can you see this? Wow! And I'm gonna blow all these paint spots, and they will give different shapes. So the air is really helping and they are forming into cute ghosts. So you will keep blowing and all the spots you will see they will be formed into cute ghosts. And you can also make it for your backdrop if you're enjoying the Halloween party. So I'm putting some more paints for making two more ghosts. So I'm adding white paint and I will blow it. So take the straw and blow it like this. It's up to you. You can use the dryer as well, but I had this straw, so I'm using it. So the air is touching the paint and it's making the cute art for yourself and for your Halloween parties. So now change the side of the board and these are the cute ghosts. Let's draw their faces and you can clean the mess with the tissue paper and draw some deformed shapes with the help of brush. And now I'm taking this marker, black marker, and I'm drawing the eyes and the mouth of the ghosts. So draw eyes and scary mouth with the black color, making eyes and scary mouth. So I am done making cute eyes and scary eyes and face. So now we are done. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you like the idea of the ghost, Halloween ghost art for everyone, for anyone. Anyone can make it. It's so easy. It's so much fun. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.